The future is arriving faster than anyone expected, and these new technologies will blow your mind. From AI robots to micro-nuclear reactors and next-level space tech, everything is changing right now. Let's jump straight into the first insane breakthrough. Peugeot Polygon Concept Car. The Peugeot Polygon Concept Car looks like something pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. A machine so futuristic it barely feels real. Its razor-sharp geometric design, ultra-sleek aerodynamic shape, and next-gen interior make traditional cars look ancient. But the real shock is what's inside. Advanced electric powertrains, smart connectivity, and AI-assisted driving working together to deliver an impossibly smooth, eco-friendly ride. This isn't just a concept. It's a glimpse of what future mobility truly looks like. Inversion Autonomous. The Inversion Autonomous is a next-generation electric vehicle that feels almost unreal in capability. Designed for full self-driving performance, it uses advanced AI, sensor fusion, and adaptive navigation to operate without human input. Its aerodynamic design boosts speed and efficiency, while intelligent systems constantly analyze the environment to make split-second decisions. This vehicle isn't just smart, it's a glimpse of a future where transportation becomes fully autonomous, ultra-safe, and powered by cutting-edge electric technology. Modular Nuclear Reactor. The Modular Nuclear Reactor is one of the most jaw-dropping energy breakthroughs of our time. A nuclear powerhouse small enough to deploy almost anywhere, yet powerful enough to replace traditional plants. This compact system delivers clean, carbon-free electricity with unbelievable reliability, operating for years with minimal maintenance. Its modular, easily transportable design allows remote towns, industrial sites, and critical infrastructures to run on nuclear-level energy without the danger or complexity of old reactors. This isn't innovation. It's a complete energy revolution. Honda EV Outlier. The Honda EV Outlier is a shockingly bold vision of what electric mobility will become. Its sleek, aerodynamic body, powerful long-range battery, and intelligent AI driving systems push EV design far beyond today's standards. This isn't just an electric car. It's a statement of futuristic engineering with performance, sustainability, and emotion fused into one machine. Honda's message is clear. The EV Outlier represents a new era where clean energy meets next-level automotive innovation. Samsung Galaxy XR. The Samsung Galaxy XR is a mind-bending leap into extended reality, merging VR, AR, and MR into one insanely advanced device. Its ultra-clear visuals, lightning-fast processing, and intelligent motion sensors make digital worlds feel shockingly real. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating, this headset responds instantly to every movement, blurring the line between reality and imagination. Sleek, futuristic, and powered by smart AI controls, the Galaxy XR shows that immersive digital experiences aren't the future anymore. They're happening right now. Xpeng Iron Robot. The Xpeng Iron Robot is the kind of humanoid machine we thought was decades away, yet it's already here. Built with advanced AI, precision sensors, and unbelievably lifelike motion control, this robot performs complex tasks with human-level accuracy. It can understand its surroundings, learn from experience, and interact naturally with people, whether at home, in factories, or in public spaces. This is China's bold step into next-gen robotics. and a terrifyingly impressive glimpse of human-robot collaboration. Europe's future space transport. Europe's future space transport ecosystem is a stunning leap toward a new era of space exploration. Centered around reusable rockets, modular satellites, and sustainable propulsion, it promises faster, safer, and more affordable access to orbit. With autonomous cargo transport and advanced orbital platforms, Europe is building a connected space network unlike anything before. This system doesn't just upgrade space travel. It sets the stage for commercial missions, scientific breakthroughs, and the next generation of interplanetary exploration. DJI Zenmuse L3. The DJI Zenmuse L3 is an absolute game-changer, almost terrifying in how powerful it is. This LiDAR beast doesn't just scan landscapes, it unveils them with razor-sharp 3D precision that feels unreal. Combining high-end LiDAR with an RGB camera, it blasts out detailed point clouds and topographic maps in real time, slicing through dense forests and urban chaos with shocking accuracy. Lightweight, fast, and brutally efficient, the L3 is rewriting the rules of aerial mapping forever. Saildrone. The Saildrone is so advanced it almost feels unreal. An autonomous ocean machine that roams the seas for months without a single human on board, powered entirely by wind and solar energy. This futuristic vessel silently collects weather data, tracks maritime activity, and scans the ocean with shocking precision. Its AI navigation systems allow it to operate in brutal conditions where humans simply can't survive. From climate research to national security, Saildrone is rewriting the future of ocean intelligence in the most mind-blowing way imaginable. Eurodrone. The Eurodrone is a jaw-dropping leap in unmanned aerial power, so advanced it feels like something pulled straight from a future battlefield. Built for intelligence, reconnaissance, and tactical missions, it delivers real-time data with unbelievable accuracy while staying airborne for long, high-risk operations where humans can't go. Its sensors, secure communications, and mission flexibility give commanders a terrifying level of situational awareness. The Eurodrone isn't just a UAV, it's Europe's new era of autonomous defense, redefining how wars will be monitored and fought. Synergistic lift. Synergistic lift is a mind-blowing breakthrough that almost feels like it defies the laws of physics. Instead of relying only on wings, this technology taps into multiple aerodynamic forces from the fuselage, airflow, and wing interaction, creating a shockingly powerful and efficient lift system. The result? Aircraft that fly farther, use less fuel, and maneuver with unreal precision. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of flight itself, pushing aviation into a future that once seemed impossible. George Benny Railplane. The George Benny Railplane was so ahead of its time that it still feels unbelievable today. A high-speed hybrid that literally flew above the tracks. Suspended on a monorail with a roaring propeller engine, this machine looked like a sci-fi aircraft racing through the sky. Created in the early 1900s, it promised airplane speed with train stability, a concept so futuristic that the world simply wasn't ready for it. The railplane wasn't just innovation, it was a mind-bending glimpse of transport decades beyond its era. Even G2 and R1. The even G2 and R1 Exo-Suits are so advanced they feel almost superhuman. Wearable robotics that instantly boost your strength, endurance, and movement with eerie precision. Powered by AI motion tracking and ultra-flexible materials, they respond to your body in real time, making heavy tasks feel weightless and walking feel effortless. It's shocking how naturally they merge with the human body. These aren't just gadgets. They're the beginning of a future where wearing robotic power becomes as normal as wearing clothes. (3D scanning). 3D scanning is so advanced it almost feels like science fiction, an ability to freeze reality and turn it into ultra-detailed digital replicas with terrifying precision. Using powerful lasers, sensors, and photogrammetry, it captures everything from microscopic artifacts to massive futuristic machines and transforms them into lifelike 3D models. These models can be edited, analyzed, and even recreated in the real world. It's not just technology, it's a mind-bending bridge between the physical and digital realms, reshaping how we design, build, and imagine the future. eVinci Microreactor. The eVinci Microreactor is so powerful and compact it almost feels dangerous. An entire nuclear power plant shrunk into a transportable, plug-and-play machine, capable of delivering up to 5 megawatts of clean electricity and running for nearly 8 years without refueling. It rewrites everything we thought possible about energy generation. With zero carbon emissions and advanced safety systems, this reactor can power remote communities, missions, and industries anywhere on Earth. It's a jaw-dropping leap toward the future of global energy independence. Parker Solar Probe. The Parker Solar Probe is doing something so extreme it sounds impossible. Diving directly into the sun's atmosphere, it's capturing jaw-dropping images of swirling plasma, explosive eruptions, and massive magnetic structures towering larger than planets. This spacecraft is flying closer to the sun than any human-made object in history, revealing secrets of solar storms and radiation that shape our entire solar system. For the first time ever, humanity is staring at the sun from a front-row seat, and the view is terrifyingly spectacular. UBTech Walker S2. The UBTech Walker S2 is so advanced it's almost unsettling, an upgraded humanoid robot that moves with eerie human-like precision. With enhanced balance, faster walking speed, and highly articulated arms, it can pick up objects, open doors, and interact safely with people as if it were alive. Powered by cutting-edge AI, it navigates complex environments and adapts to new situations instantly. The Walker S2 isn't just a robot. It's a startling glimpse into a future where humanoid assistants become part of everyday life. Radian One. The Radian One is a next-generation, fully reusable spaceplane developed by Radian Aerospace. It aims to reach low Earth orbit in a single stage, no jettison boosters, and return to land on a runway. The vehicle is designed for rapid turnaround, about 48 hours, and on-demand launches, as quickly as 90 minutes. With potential for up-mass and down-mass missions, it opens doors for space manufacturing, research, and fast global payload delivery. The future isn't coming. It's happening now and faster than we ever imagined. Which of these mind-blowing innovations amazed you the most? Drop a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech that's shaping our world today.